Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dive deep into the hardware that matters. Today, we aren't just looking at minor iterative updates. We are looking at the birth of the Mavic killer. DJI has somehow managed to do the impossible, fitting a professional cinema-grade 1-inch sensor and a revolutionary LiDAR navigation system into a body that you can fly without a license in the US, UK, and across Europe. The drone market is shifting, and if you're a creator looking for the ultimate travel rig, this is the one you've been waiting for. We've spent the last 72 hours verifying these specs against international patent filings and supply chain whispers to give you the most authentic look at what is coming in 2026. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and ensure you aren't wasting your money on last year's tech, you need to watch this until the very last second, because the price and release date leaks might just shock you. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the camera. For years, the 1-inch sensor was the gold standard, reserved exclusively for the heavier Air and Mavic series. But the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to debut the new Titan 1-inch CMOS sensor. This isn't just the sensor from the Air 3S. It's a next-generation piece of glass designed for 6K resolution. Imagine shooting 6K video at 60 frames per second in a drone that fits in your palm. This provides an incredible amount of cropping headroom for social media creators. You can shoot horizontally and crop into a vertical 9:16 frame for TikTok or Reels without losing that crisp, professional 4K detail. But the resolution isn't even the best part. The dynamic range is expected to hit 14 stops. For those of you who shoot in high-contrast environments, like a sunset over the California coastline or the bright snow of the Swiss Alps, this means you'll actually keep the detail in the shadows while preventing your highlights from blowing out. Coupled with a native ISO that rivals professional mirrorless cameras, the Mini 6 Pro is positioning itself as the king of low-light aerial photography. We are seeing reports of an f1.7 aperture that, when combined with that massive sensor, will produce a natural bokeh and a film look that was previously impossible in the sub-250G category. Now, let's talk about a feature that is going to change how you fly. Nightscape LiDAR. Traditional obstacle avoidance relies on vision sensors, essentially tiny cameras that need light to see. This is why your current drone probably warns you that obstacle sensing is unavailable as soon as the sun goes down. The Mini 6 Pro is set to change that by integrating a miniaturized LiDAR system. LiDAR uses laser pulses to map the environment in 3D, meaning it doesn't need a single lumen of light to work. You could fly this through a dense forest in pitch-black conditions, and the drone would still see every branch and twig with centimeter-level precision. This isn't just a safety feature. It's a game-changer for nighttime cinematography and urban explorers who need to navigate tight spaces in low-light conditions. Safety is further enhanced by the new O5 transmission system. If you've ever flown in a major city like New York, London, or Sydney, you know that signal interference is the enemy. You get RC signal weak warnings just as you're getting the perfect shot. DJI's O5 system is rumored to utilize a broader spectrum of frequencies and improved anti-interference algorithms, promising a rock-solid 20-kilometer range. While we always advocate for flying within line of sight, this extra signal penetration means you won't lose your video feed when flying behind a group of trees or around a building. It's about the peace of mind that your investment isn't going to lose connection and initiate a nervous return to home in the middle of a complex move. Speaking of flight, the battery life on the Mini 6 Pro is targeting a mind-bending 42 to 45 minutes on the standard intelligent flight battery. How is DJI doing this while keeping the weight under 249 grams? The secret lies in a new high-density carbon fiber frame and revamped motor efficiency. By shaving off every possible milligram from the chassis, they can dedicate more weight to the battery cells themselves. For those who aren't restricted by the 250-gram limit, an Intelligent Flight Battery Plus is expected to push flight times past the 1-hour mark. Think about that. A mini drone with 60 minutes of airtime. That effectively doubles the productivity of your shoot, allowing you to wait for the perfect light without having to land and swap batteries every 20 minutes. Design-wise, the Mini 6 Pro is moving toward a more aggressive aerodynamic silhouette. We are seeing leaks of a 225-degree Pro gimbal. Currently, most drones are limited in how far they can look up. The Mini 6 Pro's gimbal will allow for dramatic low-angle shots looking directly up at skyscrapers or mountain peaks, offering a perspective that even the Mavic 3 Pro struggles to replicate. And yes, true vertical shooting is returning, but with a faster, more robust tilt mechanism that can handle higher wind speeds. But let's address the elephant in the room, the price. With these flagship-level specs, the Mini 6 Pro is moving away from the entry-level tag. Rumors suggest a starting price of around $899 for the standard remote combo, with the Fly More combo pushing toward $11,999. While that is a jump from previous generations, you have to realize what you're getting. You are essentially getting a Mavic 3 Pro's performance in a body that requires 0 FAA registration and can be carried in a jacket pocket. For professional creators, the savings in terms of travel convenience and regulatory headaches alone make that price point a bargain. So, when can you actually get your hands on it? Our sources indicate a launch window in the fourth quarter of 2026, likely aimed at the holiday shopping season. DJI usually likes to dominate the October-November cycle to ensure they are the top gift for tech enthusiasts and photographers. If you are currently holding a Mini 3 Pro or even a Mini 4 Pro, the question is, should you wait? If your work involves a lot of night shooting, or if you find yourself constantly frustrated by the resolution limits when cropping for social media, the Mini 6 Pro is a mandatory upgrade. The leap from a 1.3-inch sensor to a full 1-inch sensor in this weight class is the holy grail of drone tech. We haven't seen an upgrade this significant since the original Mini Pro was announced. At Tap Tech, we are constantly monitoring the latest in consumer electronics to ensure you have the authentic data you need to make informed decisions. We don't just follow the hype, we follow the hardware. The DJI Mini 6 Pro represents a turning point where Mini no longer means compromise. It means professional power, liberated from the weight of regulation. As we get closer to the official announcement, we'll be the first to bring you hands-on footage and real-world range tests to see if that 05 transmission really lives up to the 20-kilometer claim. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our deep dive comparison when the first units ship. We want to hear from you in the comments. Is a 6K sensor enough to make you trade in your current drone, or is the LiDAR obstacle avoidance the real winner here? Let's get a conversation started below. Thank you for tuning in to Tap Tech. We know your time is valuable, and we appreciate you trusting us for your tech news. Stay tuned, stay informed, and we will see you in the next one, as we continue to track the future of flight. This has been your look at the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro, the small drone that's about to change everything.